My name is Ishan Kherna from DSK School. Today, I will tell you about my project, Law of Reflection. Law of reflection defines as when light rays fall on smooth surface, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. The incident ray, the normal, and the refracted ray all lie in one plane. Today, there are two types of mirrors, plane mirror and spherical mirror. We will validate this principle using spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror, concave and convex. Concave mirror are made by silvering the outer surface of the mirror. Convex mirror are made by silvering the inner surface of the mirror. There are six types of image formations in concave mirror and there are two types of image formation in convex mirror. We will demonstrate one of each. Image formed by concave mirror. The name of this is when the object is at center of curvature. As the name suggests, the object is at center of curvature. From the object, a ray emerges, ray 1. Then it gets reflected and passes through the principal axis. Then again a ray emerges, ray 2. Then it gets passes through the principal axis and intersects the ray 1. There forms the focus. After that it gets reflected and forms a parallel line to the principal axis. Then it passes through the ray 1. There forms the object. Now we will see image formed by convex mirror. There is an object at certain height. Then a ray emerges ray 1. Then it gets reflected back. Then again a ray emerges ray 2. Then it gets reflected on its own path. Then the results are imaginary. They cannot be seen in actual. So the ray one which get reflected forms an imaginary line behind the mirror and then it forms focus. After that the second ray comes and forms center of curvature. When the both lines intersect together they form object. Now we will see it practically. First we will perform images formed by concave mirror. I have took a box which has concave and convex mirror. Then we have to take two laser beams. Then we have to now as you can see there is a cross in between. There forms the focus and as you can see the ray 1 is crossing the ray 2. There forms the object here. Yes. And the cross I cannot reach it. Now we will see for the convex mirror. As you can see, the ray 1 is getting reflected and the ray 2 is getting reflected on its own path. The imaginary lines cannot be seen in actual, but they form object behind a mirror. Thank you. Concave mirror are used in shaving mirrors or doctor's headlight, and convex mirrors are used in rear view mirrors or street lamps. Thank you.